Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us encounter in our daily lives, dealing with childish behavior. Whether it's a difficult coworker, a family member, or even ourselves at times, we all know how challenging it can be. In this vlog, I'll be sharing 6 expert strategies to help you effectively handle immature individuals while maintaining your cool. From setting boundaries to leading by example, we'll explore practical techniques that can make a real difference in turning these situations into opportunities for growth. So grab your favorite snack, hit that subscribe button, and let's jump right in. Dealing with a childish person can be challenging, but there are several strategies you can employ to navigate such situations effectively. Remember, the goal is to maintain your own composure and address the behavior in a mature and constructive manner. Here are 6 ways to handle a childish person. 1. Stay calm and composed. Reacting emotionally to childish behavior can escalate the situation. Maintain your own emotional balance and respond calmly. This can help prevent the situation from spiraling out of control and show that you are in control of your emotion. 2. Set boundaries. Establish clear boundaries for acceptable behavior. Communicate these boundaries assertively but respectfully. Let the person know what behaviors are unacceptable and the consequences that may follow if those boundaries are crossed. 3. Focus on communication. Engage in open and honest communication. Express your concerns and feelings about their behavior using I statements, which can help prevent them from becoming defensive. Encourage them to share their perspective as well, so you can better understand each other. 4. Ignore attention-seeking behavior. Childish behavior often stems from a desire for attention. If the person is engaging in attention-seeking antics, avoid giving them the reaction they're looking for. By ignoring such behavior, you can help extinguish the motivation behind it. 5. Offer constructive feedback. When appropriate, provide constructive feedback about their behavior. Instead of criticizing or blaming, focus on the specific actions and their impact. Offer suggestions for more mature alternatives, showing that you are interested in their personal growth. 6. Lead by example. Model the behavior you wish to see. Demonstrate maturity, empathy, and effective communication skills. Your actions can influence the person to follow suit and adopt more adult-like behavior. Remember that the success of these strategies may vary based on the individual and the specific situation. It's important to be patient and persistent while working to address childish behavior. If the behavior continues to be disruptive or harmful, consider seeking support from a professional, such as a therapist or counselor, who can provide guidance tailored to your situation. Thanks for tuning in to today's vlog on handling childish behavior like a pro. I hope you found these strategies helpful and feel more equipped to navigate challenging situations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more valuable content. Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you handle childish behavior in your own life. Remember, maturity and effective communication can truly make a difference. Until next time, stay composed, set those boundaries, and keep leading by example. Take care.